Cauliflower, it's nutritious, it's delicious, and it's what we're gonna use today for this foolproof cauliflower cheddar bread. Now, to start, you need 2 cups of grated cauliflower. We have 2 different types of cheddar. We've got a beautiful white cheddar and sharp cheddar. Each type of cheddar, I need 1 1/4 cup. We have to beat 2 eggs. The next ingredient is 1 jalapeno pepper. We're gonna replace the 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of whole fat Stonyfield yogurt. You have the same results, but it's less fat and a little bit more protein. A little bit of salt, fresh ground pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and then we need 1/2 teaspoon of fresh baking powder. And then finally, what brings it together is our cornmeal. Give the whole thing a stir, spread it right on. I'm gonna put this in the oven, 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Looks so good right now. You have to make my cauliflower cheese bread because this is a winner.